Okay, so in this video, we're going to solve a rational equation. Okay, so let's say we have the rational equation at 3 divided by x plus 2 equals 5 over x plus 4. Okay, how are we going to solve this rational equation? So, since the left side of the equation is a single-term rational expression, as well as the right side, we can use cross multiplication. So we simply cross multiply this one. Okay, so we have 3 times x plus 4 is equal to 5 times x plus 2. Then distribute 3 times x, 3x plus 3 times 4, 12 equals 5 times x, 5x, then 5 times 2, 10. Then put all the terms with x sa left side or isolate x. You simply 3x minus 5x. From positive 5x, bring it to the left. It becomes negative 5x. And we have 10 cap 12 going to the right. It becomes negative 12 by transposition. 3x minus 5x is negative 2x. 10 minus 12 is negative 2. So divide both sides by negative 2. So we cancel. Therefore, x is equal to positive 1 because negative 2 divided negative 2 is 1. So therefore, the solution set of the given equation is 1. Okay? So we have the next one. Let's say we have x over x plus 1, x over x plus 1 plus 5 over x equals 1 over x squared plus x. Okay? How are we going to solve this one? What we are going to do is to multiply both sides of the equation by the LCD. And what would be the LCD? So the LCD is the smallest number in which this 3 can be a divisor, or that expression or number can be divided by both of by the three of the denominators here. So take a look at x squared plus x. If we're going to factor it, so the common factor is x, factor out x, then x squared divided x is x divided x is 1, so x plus 1. So as you can see, x squared plus x is simply the product of x plus 1 and x. Therefore, we can say that this is our LCD. So we have to multiply both sides by x times x plus 1. So 1 over x squared plus x. So multiply both sides by x times x plus 1. So x times x plus 1 divided by x plus 1. So this will be cancelled. May matitirang x, imumultiply kay x dito sa numerator. X times x is x squared. Plus x times x plus 1 divided by x. So cancel si x, matitira si x plus 1, 10 times 5. So 5 times x plus 1. Then in here, so x squared plus x times x plus 1 are the same. We can just cancel and that is equal to 1. Okay? So we now have x squared plus 5 times x, distribute 5x, 5 times 1, 5. Then transpose 1 to the left, minus 1 equals 0. So we now have x squared plus 5x. 5 minus 1 is positive 4 equals 0. Then by factoring, we can factor it at as x plus 4 times x plus 1 equals 0 because 4 plus 1 is 5 and 4 times 1 is 4. Then x plus 4 equals 0, and x plus 1 equals 0. So transpose positive 4, so negative 4, x plus 1, negative 1. So there are two possible solutions. We have negative 4 and negative 1. But take a look at the value x equals negative 1. Dito sa first term pa lang, if we substitute negative 1 in the denominator, negative 1 plus 1, 0. And that is not allowed in the rational expression, right? Because division by 0 is not defined or undefined. So this x equals negative 1 is what we call the extraneous solution. So this is an invalid solution because it does not satisfy the equation. What do we mean by does not satisfy? It does not make the solution true. So therefore, the only solution for this equation is negative 4. So the solution set is negative 4. Okay? So let's have another example. Let's say we have 2, number 3 to. So 2 over x plus 3, then minus 3x plus 5 divided by x squared plus 4x plus 3, then equals 5 divided by x plus 1. How are we going to solve this one? Again, we multiply both sides by the LCD. So what would be the LCD? First, consider this x squared plus 4x plus 3. Then we factor. The factors are x plus 1, x plus 3. Because when we multiply 1 and 3, the result is 3. And when we add 1 plus 3, the result is 4. So as you can see, x squared plus 4x plus 3 is just a product of x plus 3 and x plus 1. So this is our LCD. Okay, so 2x plus 3 minus 3x plus 5 divided by x squared plus 4x plus 3 equals 5 over x plus 1. So multiply both sides by x plus 1, x plus 3. So x plus 1 times x plus 3 divided by x plus 3, the result is x plus 1, then times 2. So 2 times x plus 1 minus quantity 3x plus 5, then x1 plus, times x plus 3 divided by x squared plus 4x plus 3 is 1 because they are the same. Times 3x plus 5, so 3x plus 5 equals, copy the 5, then x plus 1, x plus 3 divided by x plus 1, that is x plus 1. So cancel x plus, rather cancel x plus 1, matitira sa x plus 3, imumultiply kay 5. Okay, then distribute 2 times x, 2x, 2 times 1, 2, negative 3, negative times 3x, negative 3x, negative times 5, negative 5, 5 times x, 5x, 5 times 3, 15. So 2x minus 3x, so negative x, 2 minus 5, negative 7, equals 5x plus 15. So we transpose 5x to the left, negative x minus 5x. Then 15 plus 7. Okay, so negative 6x equals 15 plus 7, 22. So, okay, check natin. Baka may mali tayo dito. So, 2 times x plus 1, then 3x plus 5 times 1, correct? 5 times x plus 3, 2 times x, 2x, 2 times 1 is 2. negative 3x minus 5, 5 times x, 5x, 5 times 3, 15, 2x minus 3x, negative x, sorry, negative, 2 minus 5, negative 3. Okay, we delete. So 2x minus 3x is negative x. 2 minus 5, negative 3. Then 5x plus 15. So negative x minus 5x equals 15 plus 3. Negative x minus 5x, negative 6x equals 18. Therefore, x equals 18 divided by negative 6. And the result is negative 3. So do you think negative 3 is the solution of the equation? The answer is no, right? Because when you substitute negative 3 here, negative 3 plus 3 is 0. It becomes 0. So can you conclude? Therefore, there's no solution. Okay? Let's have another one. Example. So, what if we have 2 over a plus 4 plus 2a minus 1 over a squared plus 2a minus 8 equals 1 divided by a minus 2. So as you can see here, we can just conclude that the LCD is just a plus 4 times a minus 2 because when you multiply these two, the result is the denominator of the second expression, a squared plus 2a minus 8. So, we multiply both sides. So, 2 over a plus 4 plus 2a minus 1 divided by a squared plus 2a minus 8 equals 1 over a minus 2. So multiply both sides by a plus 4, a plus 2. Rather, a minus 2. Okay, so we solve. So a plus 4 will be cancelled. So we have a minus 2, then times 2. 2 times a minus 2 plus 2a minus 1 na lang kasi makakancel din lang yung a squared minus plus 2a minus 8 kasi they are the same equals 1. Makakancel sa a minus 2 times a plus 4. May multiply kay 1 so a plus 4. So distribute the 2. 2 times a, 2a. 2 times negative 2, negative 4 plus 2a minus 1 equals a plus 4. 2a plus 2a is 4a. Negative 4 minus 1, negative 5 equals a plus 4. So 4a, transpose yung a dito to the left, minus a is equal to 4. Negative 5, transpose to the right, positive 5. So that's 3a, then 9. Divide both sides by 3. Cancel, a equals 3. So, pwede yung 3 kahit anong expression dito sa given, i-substitute mo yung 3, hindi magsisiro ang denominator. Therefore, the solution set is only 3. Okay, so I hope you learn how to solve rational equation using this video.